Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julia. Today I'm back with another new video of mine, which I would be showing you how to do hair spa at home just with two products of mine. So come, let's get started with your video quickly. So friends, now I would be starting off with the shampoo, and then after that I'll show you the further steps what I would be doing for my hair to get nice and soft and smooth. So let me do the shampoo and come back. Hi guys, I've already shampooed my hair. I've shampooed my hair twice. I used L'Oreal Absolute Repair. You can use any shampoo of your choice. So come, let's get started with the video. Today I would be using this product, Bare Anatomy Mask. I don't have the hair spa cream available, so I would be using this mask for today. It's good. You all can try it out if you all wish to. So friends, I would be starting off with the mask. I will show you how much mask to apply. Put the mask in, you. How much mask will we require for my hair?
2 spoons.
2 spoons of the mask. And since I don't have ampules, but I have a serum available at home, this is of Biolage, I would be putting 2 to 3 drops of this serum into this mask and mix it well, and then after that apply it to my hair. Now we will comb the hair well till all the knots are detangled, and then partition it section by section. As you can see friends, my hair is sectioned, so come, let's get started with the further steps. Now I would start applying the cream and emulsifying it very well into the hair. You all don't have to follow things strictly step by step friends. You all do it y'all's way in a more comfortable manner. My brother is a professional hairstylist, so his way of doing things is definitely way more different compared to us if we try to do it. So just follow whatever is required. Friends, I've massaged my hair for 5 minutes well, tied it up. Now I will leave this into my hair for approximately half an hour to 45 minutes. After that I'll just rinse it off well, but make sure that the mask comes out properly. So please do wash out your hair very well, and then after that I'll show you further. Thanks. So friends, I've shampooed my hair. Now I will do a short blow dry, very light blow dry, not too much of heat on my hair, and I'll show you the result ultimately. Stay tuned. friends, as you can see, just by doing the hair spa and a little bit of blow dry, my hair is looking like as if I've done a smoothing treatment. This product is really good if you all don't have any hair spa cream, as mine had got over, so I just tried it with the mask. It's even possible. I've got a good result. I would suggest you all to try out with any mask if you have at home. At least once or twice a month hair care is required if we are not able to go to the salon. So I hope you like my video, friends. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel in order to get more further updates, and click on the bell icon to get the updates quickly. Thank you. Bye.